We are going to review today Samsung Native Smart PC. It is a hybrid Windows 8 Smart PC which offer you a tablet as well as a notebook type of work. Samsung again proved the product quality that they are able to achieve unmatchable performance by providing a hybrid device that act as a widescreen tablet as well as a notebook PC. Samsung Native is a media tablet which has a 11-inch widescreen and clamshell keyboard that you can use with the tablet, and it also acts as a ultra portable netbook. This is the keyboard dock. We'll talk about this later on. First we'll check out what all connectivity options and features provided on this tablet. You can see the screen size here, it is quite big. This is 11.6 inch wide touch screen with the multi-touch support available. Also it is very fast responsive. On the top side there is a audio jack. This is a 3.5mm audio jack with two mic, the power key and also screen lock key, the orientation lock key. When you click this, the auto rotate function is enabled and disabled by this key. There is an USB port available here. It is an USB 2.0 port. You can connect Wi-Fi keyboard mouse on it through this USB port. You can connect your external hard drive or even a regular USB 3.0 hard drive to transfer data directly in the tablet. Along with this, there is a micro SD slot available here. You can directly insert a micro SD card here. It supports up to 32 GB micro SD and next to that lies a SIM card slot. On the right we are having an HDMI port also, through which you can simply copy the display of this tablet on a widescreen LCD TV or a monitor, and a volume key. On the left side there is a stylus available. It is not a normal stylus, it is an S Pen optimized stylus which you can use with this tablet. This is also having multiple features. On the front, along with the screen, you can see a home key. This is Windows home key, a 2 megapixel camera and two speakers at the corner. At the back there is an 8 megapixel camera with flash, while at the bottom you can see a charger slot, and these are the dock connectivity, the dock connectors. This is the center connector, these are the holders. There is never doubt on the quality of Samsung's build. This is a mid-range tablet that works on Windows 8 RT OS, completely optimized for Windows 8. It offers a smooth output and it works quite nicely. The tablet works on Intel Atom processor. I'll show you the specification here. You can see here it has Intel Atom processor, which is a dual core processor at 1.80 GHz. It is a mobile processor that worked on many netbooks, and now the next generation is far more better in delivering multitasking output. The codename of this processor is Clover Trial, that offers you 1.8 GHz of clock ratio on two different cores. Now in the specification section, you can see there is a 2 GB RAM available here, and it is a 32-bit operating system. For graphic, the tablet has Intel Graphic Media Accelerator, which is enough for gaming, while the storage inside this tablet is around 64 GB. You can see this here, 51 GB of hard drive, among which it is a 64 GB hard drive in total, but some of this amount is stored for recovery. In case of any problem, you can simply restore this tablet instantly through the recovery partition. After installing Windows, you can see 32 GB is almost occupied, and around 20 GB is occupied and 32 GB is free, that can be used for copying your multimedia files or installing games. The resolution of this screen is around 1366 by 768, which is the maximum resolution. Smart Native is more than a tablet. It is a hybrid design that acts as a notebook as well as a tablet. The tablet comes with a clamshell keyboard. We'll connect it on the keyboard and see how it works. This is a clamshell keyboard of a Samsung Native tablet. This keyboard features a smooth touchpad that offers you a notebook type of work. You can see this keyboard here. This is a full-fledged keyboard with all the keys available. This is the connector. This is the dock where you have to place the tablet. It offers you some simple tilting tablet front and back side as per you can adjust the tablet screen. On this we are having two USB slot, one on the left side. This is a USB 2.0 slot, and one lies on the right side, the same slot. Along with this, there is a charger port provided on the tablet, on the keyboard. To fix the tablet on the keyboard, you just have to match. You can see a small opening, a small carving over here. You have to match this Windows Home key with this, and you have to place the tablet properly over it. Because if it is not fitted well, you will keep on hearing a beep sound. You can see the sound here. Once it is properly placed, it is still not activated. This is one problem with this keyboard. Now it is working fine. The keyboard offers you a full typing solution like how Ultra Portables do. You can see this. After attaching the keyboard on the tablet, it becomes more heavier. The size increases up to 1.44 kg. So it is a bit heavier to carry while the keyboard is attached to it. And this is a multi-gesture touchpad that offers you different type of option for zooming image, for zoom out an image. Now we will test the multimedia performance of Samsung ATIV Smart PC. First I'll remove this from this clamshell keyboard. We'll check out the audio output also. First we'll check out an MP3 file. The volume keys are provided on the right side. This is the maximum volume. We'll test out a video also. This is the video output of Samsung ATIV.
Have one thing in common.
You can see the screen resolution is quite fine. The better the video is, the better quality you will get on the screen. For an 11-inch size tablet, this is a quite nice output for watching movies. There are some games provided in the tablet. We'll check out some games here and also test the touch, how it works properly with the games or not. You can see these are some internal games. It's a very basic game. As a tablet, you cannot install any high-end games on it because of low hardware support on it. Once connected on Wi-Fi, you can get a better web browsing speed on it. You can see the web page here. While if you turn it if you turn it upside down, you can get a very wide access of a web page. You can see the entire web page properly fitted on the screen. So this is good for reading. As it is a Samsung product, so they offered a S Pen with it. This is not a regular stylus, this is an S Pen. There is a button in between. When you press it, it will show you the indication on the screen. You can see this. But it is not really very useful. To open an application, you just have to tap on it. But when you want to type inside a web browser or anything, you have to use the keyboard only, because there is no stylus operation available here. So these are some shortcomings of this pen. While the same thing is good for using on S Note. This is an application that comes in Galaxy also. It offers you easy note-taking support. You can simply write down anything, and you can save it and you can share it with your friends or through email. The stylus operation is very basic here, and for other operation like for using Microsoft Office or by using Notepad or any other text application, you have to use the keyboard only. Samsung ATIV is a fast responsive media tablet that offers you a good battery life also. With full HD display, it works well with multi-touch and keyboard. The keyboard dock which is provided is comfortable, but attaching the tablet on it is a bit annoying, and also it makes the tablet very heavy to carry. The cost of this tablet lies around rupees 53,000, which makes it a very costly product. But the size and other features which are included in this make this tablet a worth to buy product. The positive point of Samsung ATIV Smart PC is that it has a fast responsive screen, it has a good battery life, clamshell keyboard, SIM slot, and S Pen optimized. The negative point of this tablet is it has a non-durable body, keyboard dock that does not fit well, low on multitasking, and it is overpriced. That's all for now. For more review, tutorial, news and updates on latest technology, visit techarena.in. Thank you. Have a nice day.